Yes students, now we will discuss about absolute value of a rational number. In the previous class you have studied that absolute value of an integer is its numerical value without taking the negative sign in the account. Means if we are finding the absolute value of -3, it will be 3, and the absolute value of 3 will be 3, absolute value of 0 will be 0. This is the symbol of absolute value. We can write that mod of -3 is equal to 3, mod of 3 is 3, mod of 0 is 0, or we can say absolute value of -3 is 3. This is the symbol of absolute value. Similarly, in the case of rational number, if you are going to find the absolute value of rational number, it will be absolute value of 4 by 5 will be 4 by 5, and absolute value of -4 by 5 will be 4 by 5. Absolute value of every rational number is other than 0 is positive. If we are finding the absolute value of any of the number, either it is positive or negative, its absolute value will be always positive except 0. The absolute value of 0 is always 0. Absolute value of a rational number is greater than or equal to the number itself. If we are finding the absolute value of any rational number, it is either equal to the number or it will be greater than the rational number. If we are finding the absolute value of negative rational number, then it will be greater than the rational number, because absolute value will be positive, and positive is always greater than the negative, and absolute value of positive rational number is always equal to the positive rational number. Now see worksheet 1. In worksheet 4, question number 1 of worksheet 4, here we have to find the absolute value of the following rational number. See, the absolute value of 1 upon -5 is 1 by 5, absolute value of 7 by 9 is 7 by 9, absolute value of 0 upon -4 will be 0 upon 4, or we can say 0. Absolute value of -3 by -2 is 3 by 2. In question number 2, we have to compare the absolute value of the following rational number. It means first we will calculate their absolute value, then we will compare them. See question number 1. Here rational numbers are 3 upon -7 and -3 by 7. First we will calculate their absolute value. Its absolute value is 3 by 7. Its absolute value is also 3 by 7, and 3 by 7 and 3 by 7 both are same. It means absolute value of both these numbers are equal. So we will put the sign of equal to in between them. Now see second part. We have given these two rational numbers. First of all, we will find their absolute value. Here absolute value of -5 by 7 will be 5 by 7. Absolute value of 4 by 3 is 4 by 3. Now we will do the cross multiplication. First we will do downward, 5 3 is 15, then upward 7 4 is 28, and this first one is greater. It means absolute value of first rational number is greater, first one is smaller. So absolute value of first one is smaller than the second one. So we will like this. Absolute value of this number is less than this number. See question number 3. Find all the rational number whose absolute value is 0. 2 by 5 is the absolute value of which numbers? 2 by 5 is the absolute value of plus 2 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. And 0 will be the absolute value of 0 only. And what will be which are the numbers whose absolute value is 3 by 4? The rational numbers are 3 by 4 and -3 by 4, whose absolute value is this 3 by 4.